What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I got this Toyota 4Runner, but it doesn't matter what kind of truck or car you have. The issue here is every time the customer is driving, his dome lights inside would come on. He's physically driving the car, and the locks, all the doors are locked and they're all closed, and his dome lights will come on, and in the dash it will show doors has been unlocked and the door is open. And also at night his alarm comes on automatically, so if somebody passing by or if the car moves, the alarm starts to sound. But I did discover something on this truck, so you would do the same thing. Okay, first of all, let's unlock this truck. All right, we got this comp U star alarm here. So if you have a wiper alarm, doesn't matter what kind of alarm you have. So what we're gonna do is, I'm not gonna start the engine. It's the same thing, leaving it on accessory. So before we start anything crazy, I want you to check all your doors, okay? And see if they're all closed. Make sure your trunk, the hood, everything is closed. Other than that, I want you to check your locks physically if they're working, and if these bolts are loose or anything. Same thing with the striker, okay? So this is a lock, this is a hatch, the lock hatch, and this is called a striker. So when this strikes that, and the lock locks itself, and that's how it works. Also, you have switches, okay? These switches, sometimes they will tend to go bad. They will short or not. There's a ground inside that is a ground circuit, something like Honda's, their ground control. The wire will come loose, or the wire will move. So what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna close this door, and we're gonna wait for, was that light? Okay, see, you see that? The light is on right there, dome light. We're gonna close this door, and I am gonna, where's the lock button? Okay, all the doors are locked, and we're gonna recreate the problem, okay? What I discovered was something very simple. You can check it out on your own vehicle. So you would check the door locks and everything on all 4 doors, your trunk as well. But check this out, all right? So no issue here. No issue here. Make sure this is not open. Grab it, pull it, and same thing here, locked. Same thing here, locked. All right, it could be more than that. It could be electrical trouble, but other than that, this is closed. But on this driver's door, when the customer drove in, and everything just went bananas, but this driver door doesn't seem to be closed flush, okay? That's what I discovered, one thing. And then you see that this door doesn't do it. This is solid, but this one is way too much play. So if I start to shake this car, check this out. One hand is always a trouble. There you go. Doors unlocked. The dome light came on really quick, and they lock. The doors are unlocked now. As you can see, they're unlocked. See that? So let's lock them back up. The dome light came on for a second, then it went off. I guess the door lock grabbed itself. There you go. And it turned off. All right, but since we got the key and accessory, if I was to leave it outside, okay, you see that? It's unlocked. So what we're gonna do now is, now we're gonna do the same thing. Car is locked. I'm gonna put this away here, and we're gonna do the same thing. And watch the alarm come on now. Okay, the alarm didn't come on because they didn't unlock it. Didn't sense it for too long. Come on. Okay, so the alarm is not coming on, but it does come on, because while even the truck was parked outside, the alarm came on because it senses it, but it didn't unlock this time, but it did unlock earlier. But anyways, I'm tired pushing this car, but let me show you the actual problem. Let me unlock this. Okay, so there's no issues here. These bolts right here are good. They're locked in, but Sometimes you can unadjust them and unscrew them and adjust a little bit, but we're not gonna do that either. The problem is here. Look at this. The striker is all loose, okay? That's the problem. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these bolts and we're gonna thread lock them. Okay, we're gonna thread lock these a little bit and they should not come off. Even if you don't want to thread lock them, just tighten them up really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get a little bit of thread lock and I'm gonna match up a socket, a torque set here, and we're gonna tighten these. Okay, I went and got me this torque here. This is a T40 and that's the bolt right there. And I got me a lock thread, okay? This is red. Red is really strong. You don't want to put too much in on it either. There's the part number if you want to get it. Let me see if I can focus there. It's 27183. Come on, camera. Camera won't focus, okay? There's a brand. And that's what you're gonna get, okay? So what are we gonna do is let me set up my camera and we're gonna finish this job out really quick. Okay, so here we are. Let me get my thread lock bottle open. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm only gonna put like one drop on it. Like I said, this is really strong. You don't wanna go crazy either. That's it. A little bit on it. And then we're gonna stick this in. If you need to loosen this, you might have to heat it up a little bit, but you don't want to destroy the paint either. Let's take out the second one. So there's no adjustment here, so you cannot put it at the wrong place. It only goes on one little spot, okay? And then you can torque these, it's up to you. I do not have torque spec on this particular thing, but usually something like this. I always get these and I just tighten some. Customer come to me, they just did a brake job and they tell me, oh, tighten this for me. It seems like it's loose, especially the hinges, the bolts on the hinges on the inside here, plus all the doors, they become loose. So this one, just hand tight. That feels good. Same thing here. All right, that should take care of the problem, okay? But anyways, if you guys have any other issues, don't forget to send me a message. AC, check engine, cat, sensors, air filters, tune-ups, spark plugs, misfire. I can help you out, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get this thread lock, it's good for like if you have RCs. I bought this for my RCs. I don't know why it does not want to close properly. I usually thread lock the gears on the RCs. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Let's this thing, you can close the door, but let this thing dry up for a good 2-3 hours. But you could use it and it's gonna hold itself. Thank you.